Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in downtown Kingston and we are on Harbor Street. And what we're looking at is where the Kingston Ice building used to be. Now this is what you want to see. The old buildings in downtown Kingston, just demolish them and put up new structures. Now what is going here is a game changer. A 20-floor mixed-use structure, building, tower is going to be built here. It's called One Gold Street. Mega development coming to downtown Kingston. 20 floors on the Kingston Harbor. Overlooking the Kingston Harbor, I should say. Now, guys, I don't know if you remember the building, but it was abandoned for quite some time. The building that was here, the Kingston Ice building. Abandoned. It didn't even have a roof, an eyesore, and they have totally demolished it. Okay, so we're going to give you more information on the new structure that's going to be coming here. 20 floors. Downtown Kingston is entering a new era of redevelopment, with growing interest in transforming the historic capital into a modern waterfront business and residential district. For decades, much of the city center struggled with aging infrastructure, declining commercial activity, traffic congestion, and limited private investment. Today, however, both government and private developers are beginning to see downtown Kingston as one of Jamaica's most important opportunities for urban renewal. A major focus of this transformation is the Kingston waterfront. Areas along Harbour Street, Ocean Boulevard, and Port Royal Street are increasingly being viewed as valuable real estate because of their proximity to Kingston Harbour, the port, government offices, and transportation networks. Urban planners believe the waterfront could eventually become a vibrant destination featuring restaurants, offices, hotels, entertainment venues, and residential towers. Several development proposals have already highlighted this vision. One of the most ambitious concepts is the One Gold Street Tower proposal. The project envisioned a modern mixed-use high-rise with office space, rooftop gardens, public plazas, and environmentally friendly design features. The design description features a full-height 7-story atrium, rooftop gallery areas, and a large mixed-use commercial structure of about 250,000 square feet and 20 floors. It will have a column-free office floors, a 7-story atrium, rooftop gardens, solar energy integration, public plaza space, restaurants, a gym, and a rooftop gallery areas. It's architecturally, the tower should stand out because of its copper-coated external structure frame, heavy use of glass, and an environmentally conscious cooling features and dramatic waterfront appearance. The idea behind the project was bigger than just one building. The developers wanted to be a catalyst for broader downtown redevelopment and help reposition the Kingston waterfront as a modern commercial district. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.